Good morning, guys. Welcome to Boring Trading Community. So, starting from today, we will be starting the live streaming sessions for Bank Nifty trades, and our everyday target is going to be 10% on the capital deployed. So, today, if you can see, the market has got a slight gap up opening, but we have a good resistance up here. So, we need to see if the market can break the resistance and reach till the yesterday's high. So let's quickly mark the levels before we get started. So these are the important levels that we can observe today. These are the important levels that we'll be observing today, and for the purpose of trades, these are the strike prices that I have added, one in CE and one in PE. So whenever I get a trade, I'll keep you posted here. For CE, we are observing 47,300 CE, and when it comes to PE, we are observing 47,500 PE. So whenever we get an entry, I'll make sure to mark it here, and we'll be taking the entries. So till then, we have to wait for a setup to be formed, and once the setup is formed, we can jump into the trades. Today is 13th March, it's Wednesday, and we are having the weekly expiry for Bank Nifty. So we can expect good moves in Bank Nifty, and yesterday has been a pretty much trendy day because we had got movement on both sides. Like there has been a good upward rally, and at the resistance we got a good downward move as well. So it has been a good trending day yesterday, and let's see how the market behaves today. And I'll just give the quick rules here. Capital required per lot would be 6,000, and we'll be searching for strike prices with premium in the range of 200 to 300. There may be exceptions at times, but usually we look for premiums in the range of 200 to 300. So let's wait for our entry conditions to be satisfied. As of now, I'm not revealing any strategy or any entry conditions as of now. As of now, I'm just trying to show you, is it possible to make 10% a day on a consistent basis? So that is what the priority is as of now. Gradually, as we go ahead in the sessions, I'll be revealing more details about the strategy as well as how we approach this, what are the entry conditions and stuff. So those will be covered later, but in today's session, let's confine ourselves to observe if you are able to make 10% a day. So we have an entry here which is 47,300, 47,500 PE. The entry price is going to be 272. We'll be entering at 272 with a target of 292 if it gets activated. If it doesn't get activated, we'll ignore it, but as of now our entry price is 272. Let's wait for 1 minute to see if this entry gets triggered. If this entry doesn't get triggered in this particular candle, we'll wait for just another candle, and if it doesn't happen even then, we'll ignore the entry. So we're going in with a target of 20 points for this particular trade. It's already 47 seconds, and the market has come down significantly. So the price has come down significantly. Let's wait to see if it gets activated or not. If it doesn't get activated in 2 candles, we'll simply ignore this. As of now, we have our entry condition in 47,500 PE at 272. We have another 30 seconds to see if this gets triggered. If it doesn't get triggered, we'll be ignoring this particular entry and we'll wait for a new setup to be formed. Our target for the day is 40 points, and once we get 40 points, we'll be closing the day. So we have another 20 seconds to see if this setup gets activated. If it doesn't get activated, we'll be ignoring this particular entry in PE. We're watching 47,500 PE. Very less likely that this gets triggered, so we are ignoring this particular entry. If another setup forms, we'll be considering it, right? But as of now, we have ignored this. The premium here is below 200, but still I'm just waiting to change the strike price. We have not changed the strike price here yet. The strike price here still remains 47,300 only. We're not going to have any FOMO entries. We'll just wait for a setup to be formed and triggered. Only then we're going to enter the trades. The setup is not triggered yet anywhere, so we are still waiting for the entry. No entries yet. We'll still wait. We'll still wait for the setups to be formed and only then take the entries. Let's also see what's happening in the spot chart. So as we can see, after a gap up opening, market is trying to do some gap filling here, and it's interesting to see what happens once the gap has been filled. So we had a gap up opening today, and once the gap up opening is filled by the market with a down move, it's interesting to see what it does from there. As of now, we haven't got entries yet. Let's see if we get any entry in CE. The premium is way below 200, but let's wait for it. The market is still trying to fill the gap of the gap up opening, and once that's done, let's see what it let's see if it takes a support there or if it again continues the down move. So I think we still have good time to wait. So as we can see here, the capital required is 6,000 per lot, and we'll be looking for strike prices with premium in the range 200 to 300. That is the condition as of now. We'll patiently wait for our entries. We're not going to jump into any entries as of now. Let the market settle and we'll get a good moves. $47300 CE is our CE strike price for today as of now. Let's wait and see if we get any entry here. As far as the spot chart is concerned, it kind of looks to take a support post gap filling, but let's see if it holds good. We have another 20 seconds to decide if you're going to enter into a trade or not in the C direction. Basing on this candle closure, let's decide if you're going to enter into the trade or not. We'll be entering this trade at 186. We'll be waiting for the price to come to 186 and we'll have a target of 206. Let's see if it hits. Yeah, it's triggered 206. The target is done. It's very clear. The target is done. 20 points target is done and the market is rallying. So it's a clear trade, clear reversal from the gap up. The gap up, and then we had a gap filling, and then we got a very clear move from 186 to 206. It's a clear 20 points move, and with this move we have captured 5% for the day. We have clearly marked the entries, we have clearly marked the targets even before the price has moved there. Right when the moment this candle is about to close, we have marked our entries and we have taken a very precise trade. And just to let you know, the stop loss for these trades is also going to be 20 points. So it's 186, it's going to be 166. We're going to go with the 1:1 ratio because basically we're scalping here. And it's a very clear trade. We got the target done in a single candle. A single spike has made sure we reached the target. It's 20-point target. And with this 20 points, if we consider a premium of 6,000, a capital of 6,000 per lot, with this particular trade, we have achieved 5%. 5% has been achieved already today by 9:36 itself. Now let's wait for another entry. We just need another 20-point target. Once we are done with it, I think we'll be closing our day at 10%. As a scalper, our risk reward and our expectations for the market are pretty much well defined. We don't go there in to cover the whole day or cover all the rallies. We just go in there to get the predefined targets that we have for ourselves. As you can see here, the market has come down and taken the stop loss, but before that, the target has been hit. Our target was hit even before this happened. So let's wait for another trade. Maybe if we can get another trade in the PE direction, let's keep waiting for it. So the PE, the strike price is still the same, 47,500 PE. We just need another target to close the day. Let's see if it happens. I hope you can see here, like when I mark the trade, I have marked it even before the price has gone up there, and it's pretty much, the trade is pretty much straightforward there. Like we know that we are going to take the trade on high of this, the setup is ready, the price has already been entered. As soon as the candle got closed, we have just placed the order, and within seconds we are able to hit our target. So this is how, there is a common saying that option buyers don't make money in the market. Yes, option buyers don't make money in the market until and unless they are very much skilled and they have the speed to achieve the targets. You hardly have 5-6 seconds to react there and you got a good target. So let's prepare for another entry here. We're going to enter at 265, 47,500 PE. Our entry price is going to be 265. Let's see if it gets triggered. If it gets triggered, 285 is going to be a target. $285 is going to be a target. If this gets triggered, we'll wait for it to trigger. as you can see, we have marked the targets even before the price has gone up there. So we are having enough time for us to place the orders. It's not that the price is, I mean, those can be just excuses that, price moved too fast, or, you didn't get time to place the orders. But as an option buyer, you have to have the speed and precision to place the trades at the right time. So here we're having enough time to place the order at 265. The market is still down. Let's wait for a couple of candles to see if this is broken. We have already went past one candle. Let's see if this 1 minute candle breaks this 265 and gives us the target. Let's wait for this. Let's wait for this 47,500. Let's wait for another minute to see if this gets activated and gives us the target. Today we're already 20 points done, so this is our entry. We have taken a very smart trade at 186 and we got a chance to close it at 20 points. The price went up till 30 points, but our target is 20 points. So we had placed our limit orders and we had exited this trade at exactly 20 points. Let's wait for another setup. We have already got the move that we were waiting for. We just need another target. We can cancel this particular trade. Even after 2 candles, this is not triggered. So we're not going to get into a PE trade as of now. We'll just wait for another setup to be formed. Once it's done, we'll be considering the entries. We are on the lookout for a setup again. Once the setup is formed, we'll maybe consider. I think it's time to change the strike price for CE. Maybe we can go to 47,200 can be our CE strike price. Yeah. So we have changed the strike price for CE. We are at 47,200. Market seems to have taken a small range here. Let's wait for a breakout or a breakdown. Let's see what the spot chart is doing. It has taken a clear support from the gap down opening, but again the market is retesting it. Again, it will be interesting to see what it does at this particular point of time. We can expect a good move in either direction. So let's wait for the setup to be formed and triggered. We just need another 20 points target today to close the day at 10%. Our daily target is going to be fixed at 40 points net target, and we'll just keep finding entries till we hit our net 40 points plus. And when we are at net 40 points plus on a premium of 400, on a capital of 6,000 per lot, then we'll be happy, comfortably placed at 10% net. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for the entries. We do not have any FOMO kicking in here. We just need one good move and we'll be done with the day. Okay, again the CE is rallying. So as we can see, again the market has taken support exactly at the same gap filling area, and let's wait for entries here. I think we can come down a strike price. We can go to 47,300 CE again. Yeah, we're back to 47,300 CE. It's a good move, but I think let's see if market sustains this 47,300 CE. We're waiting for a setup to be formed. Yeah, we're going to enter at 189. 209 is going to be a target. We're going to enter into the CE trade. 169 is going to be our stop loss. Let's wait for the setup to be triggered. We're going to enter at 189 with a target of 209. Yeah, it's triggered. 189. We'll see if it hits the target or if it takes the SL. 189 is our entry price and 169 is a stop loss. So we are into the trade already. We have entered at 189 with a stop loss of 169. So the trade has been 10 points down already. Never mind. Let's see if it hits the target or if it goes to the SL. Even if it goes to the SL, it's completely fine. We'll get another opportunity to climb up again, but the trade is still running. So, as a scalper, you need to be ready for both target as well as stop loss. So this trade, we have entered at 189 and our target is 209. Let's see if we'll be able to do it. The trade is still running. Because of the expiry, the moves are pretty much crazy here. With that crazy spike itself, we have got a first target hit. Let's see what happens now. Let's see if we get it in our direction. We have entered at 189. We have entered the trade at 189. The price is currently somewhere around 180. The price is going towards the stop loss. It's fine. 169 is a stop loss. $169 is a stop loss. Yeah, the stop loss is hit in this CE trade. So right now we're at net zero. Let's keep looking for other trades. So we have got 20 points in one trade and we lost 20 points in one trade. So we are at break even as of now. Let's keep looking for other trades. Let's see if we have any trade in PE. We'll wait for the trades. We have not got the setup form till now. We'll be waiting for the trades. We are at break even as of now. We have taken one CE trade in which we have hit a 20-point target, and we have taken a CE trade again in which we have hit a 20-point SL. So we are at net zero as of now. And let's keep looking out for entries now. Let's see what even the spot chart is also doing. It's still at this crucial level, post gap filling. Let's see how it behaves. Let's wait for the next entry. So we are patiently waiting for next entry. Hopefully we'll be getting it in PE. Let's see. yeah, I think yeah, I think we can enter at 232. We'll wait for the price to go up there. If it goes there, 252 is going to be a target. And 212 is going to be our stop loss if the call gets triggered. Let's wait for a couple of candles to see if it gets triggered. We're waiting for a PE entry at the price of 232 here. $232 is our entry price. Let's see if it gets triggered. Almost there. We'll wait for another candle. Yeah, it's triggered. 252 is our target. Yeah, it's done. It's got a huge spike. It's a 50-point rally. It's a 50-point rally. It's a 50-point rally, and will be right now I'm trailing at 252. I'm trailing at 252, and I'll be closing at 282 is going to be my trailing SL. 282. I'm trailing at 282, and it's hit. Trailing SL is hit. So we have made 50 points in this particular call. 50 points we have made in this particular call. And I think we have closed our 10% target for the day. We are at 50% positive. We have taken 3 trades today. We have taken a CE trade in which we got 20 points. Again we took a CE trade in which we lost 20 points. And now we took a PE trade in which we got 50 points purely by trailing. The target was hit in no time. The price went up with ease, and we got ample time to trail it at 282. And we have covered 50 points in this particular rally alone. It's a clean day. It's a clean day. The time is only 9:52 right now. It's not even 10 a.m. and we have already pocketed 10%. And it's a very straightforward day, as you can see. Like ever since we started the day, it's been very calm and peaceful. We have patiently waited for the setups to be formed. We got ample time to enter the trades. We have got ample time to exit the trades. And this has been a great entry for us. We have entered at 232 and we are able to close it at 282. 50 points are covered in this trade. And with this, we have achieved a daily target of 10% today. 10%, we have achieved about 10% actually. We have achieved 50 points. So this is the trading session for today. Like as you can see, we have closed it within half an hour. It didn't even take half an hour for us to pocket a 10%. It's been a very clean and straightforward day for us. So I thought of going into a live stream on YouTube with this particular trading session, but I have just created my YouTube channel yesterday. So it takes 24 hours for me to access the live stream feature. So I thought, why not just record today's particular trading session and maybe just post it so that I don't miss on a day. So that's how, that's the reason why I'm screen recording this particular session. And let's see how it goes. So that's it for today. I think I'm closing my session today. As you can see, we have made a return of about 10% today easily, even before 10 a.m. So wait for tomorrow's video again. I'll be sharing maybe if YouTube permits, I'll be doing a live stream, or else I'll be sharing a recording again tomorrow. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.